Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techker. In today's video, I'll be talking about the new update which has been received in the Poco X3 device. So this is the third update after purchasing this phone. So let's see friends, what is the size of this update and what are the features it does include in this mobile phone. And in case if you want to know more details about the first update and second update, try to check the playlist of the Poco X3 device. You can find all the interesting videos on the Poco X3 smartphone. So very soon I'll be reaching the 200 videos mark. This is a milestone on the Poco X3 device, so stay tuned for that videos as well for the upcoming videos. And let's get started with the update size and what are the features it does include. So as I said, there is an update of the third update, so which is very good considering the phone within I think close to 40 days of time I did receive the 3 updates, which is very good I think. So definitely in terms of the updates, you can definitely trust Poco device. I think for the next 1 year it should be not any problem with the software updates. As you can clearly see, the version of the update is 12.0.4 update, and the update size is of 207 MB. So this is a small update only. I think the first and the third update, this one update are very small size, and the second update is kind of a very big size, close to 400 to 500 MB of size. So this is just a security update only. There is not much significant features added in this kind of update. And in case if you still did not receive the number 3 update, like version 3, so don't worry, you will be receiving very soon. And make sure as soon as you receive the update on the notification panel, try to click and try to download as soon as possible, because sometimes if you forget to click, the update will be disappeared and again you won't be able to download the update. It takes couple of times to try. So this has happened previously with my other phones as well. So from then onwards, as soon as I see the any update notification on the panel, so immediately I used to download the update as soon as possible. So just wait for the update friends, and as soon as you get, try to download it faster and install in the Poco X2 device. So right now I did download the update and let me try to install. So every time whenever I do this kind of software update reboot in the Poco X2 device, I used to do the stopwatch as well, exactly how much time it actually takes to completely install the update. So the second update took quite some time, close to I think 3 minutes of time during that time because of the big size. But right now it's taking very less time, as you can see here. So already it's close to 33%. So let's see how long this small update will take to install in the Poco X3 device. So overall friends, with these updates in the Poco X2 device, so most of the problems they're trying to fix, and they're trying to optimize the CPU and GPU performance as well. So whenever I get this kind of update, I'll try to do the AnTuTu benchmark. So I'll compare the AnTuTu benchmark test from the one update to the second update to the third update. So every time I'll try to keep that kind of screenshots in my gallery saved every time. So let's see after this update as well, I'll try to do another video on that one. So AnTuTu benchmark test after updating to the third version. So let's see friends, whether there will be any kind of improvement in terms of the AnTuTu benchmark score, because the company Poco, they claimed the AnTuTu benchmark score would be close to 3 lakhs of a benchmark score, but right now I did reach a score maximum I think 2,77,000 or 2,78,000. So I did not get more than the score in the Poco X2 device. So I'm trying for the CPU and GPU optimization with this kind of updates in the Poco X3 device to check whether this can improve the AnTuTu benchmark score in the Poco X3 or not. So as you can see, it's taking, I think it's taking a little bit kind of long time. So again, I'll be back once the reboot has been a little bit completed at the end. As you can see, friends, the update is completed I think so, and the phone is trying to reboot right now, and the time it took about 3 minutes and 25 seconds. So let's see. Until I see the lock screen, I'll try to continue the stopwatch here. And it is a OnePlus 8T device, so which is a latest addition in my channel. So if you want to know more details about the OnePlus 8T, try to check the playlist in the links in description. So you'll find more details about this smartphone as well. So let's see friends, how much time will it take still more to reboot in this device. So definitely I'll try to do another review as well on the Poco X3 after using close to 50 days of usage with this mobile phone. So in that I'll try to talk more about the CPU and GPU optimization as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel friends, and without any late, try to check the playlist links in description. So you'll find so many videos interesting about the Poco X3 device, tips and tricks and other things about the Poco X3. So still it's trying to reboot right now. So as I said, I'll be trying to do the AnTuTu benchmark score results as well on the Poco X3 after so after this update. So let's see friends how much the Android benchmark score will be also there. So stay tuned for that video. I'll be trying to do as soon as possible. And finally took about 4 minutes and 51 seconds to completely reboot the latest update in the Poco X3 device. And this is a version, as I said, 12.0.4 version. This is the update latest in this phone. And thank you for watching this video friends. For more details, try to check the links in description, and stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends as well who are willing to buy the Poco X3 device. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.